Hello everyone, this is EPORDO Internet cloud-based online time attendance software for management with concise login interface. 24 hours online management software, free installation, no location, no time, no operation system restrictions. So you can log in anytime, anywhere from any PC or mobile. It is the best professional cloud attendance solution in the true sense to achieve centralized management for companies with multi-branches in the world. And this is cloud time attendance software for employee. So every employee can log in to check their own attendance data and attendance report from PC or mobile without any installation. So let's log in management software firstly.